Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to bulk create videos on Canva. So if you're looking to create some motivational videos or some fun fact videos, then this actual video is for you. What you can do is you can just head over and put in here a text. We will use it later. And then you can ask ChatGPT for help. I actually asked them to give me 15 fun facts and it must be in table form. It actually gave me that. So let's head over and copy this 15 fun facts right here. Let's right click and copy. Now let's head back to Canva. Scroll down right here and click on this bulk create. If you can find your bulk create, you can head over and find it on your apps. Let's click on this right here. From in there, click on this enter data manually. Now from in there, just head over and then add it. So as you can see, it's been added. Now let's head over and rename it. Like for example, let's name this fun fact. Then let's rename this as number. We will actually not use this number right here because we only need the fun fact, but you can do it to your liking. Now from there, just head over right here and then click on done on the bottom. Now once you have clicked on done right here on the bottom, next thing you need to do is to connect your data to elements. Click on the text right here and then click on its three dots and then scroll down and click on this connect data. Then connect it to the fun fact and then click on continue. Now this will generate 15 designs. So click on this generate 15 designs right around here. And then from there, this will generate this for you. So just wait for this to actually finish because it may take some time for this to actually be done. So as you can see right here, it has actually made me a bunch of videos in only a few clicks right around. So we have in here 1, 2, 3, and up to 15 right here. So that's how you bulk create videos on Canva. Hope we help.